In this session, we will explore the world of file extension matching using regular expressions. By the end of this guide, you'll have mastered the art of identifying specific file types and extensions with powerful regex patterns. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of precise file type identification. Here's a basic regular expression pattern for matching a .txt file extension. The pattern is \.txt$. The backslash dot matches a literal dot. The letters T, X, T matches the txt extension, and the $sign is the end of string anchor. This ensures that .txt is at the very end of the file name. To match multiple file extensions, you can use the following pattern. \, open parenthesis JPG pipe PNG pipe GIF, close parenthesis $. Here \, is an escape literal dot. Open and close parenthesis are grouping parentheses. Pipe symbol is an OR operator. $ is the end of the string. This pattern matches .jpg, .png, or .gif at the end of the string. To perform case-insensitive matching, use the re.ignore case flag in Python. This will ensure that you match extensions regardless of their capitalization. The code snippet shows how to do this in Python. First, import re. The pattern is \.pdf$. Now use re.search function with the re.ignore case flag. This setup matches .pdf, .pdf, and .pdf. Here's a complete file name pattern. ++ $docs ? Caret is the start of the string. ++ means one or more characters. \. is a literal dot. Docs is the extension and the question mark makes the X optional, so it matches both doc and docs. Finally, $, is the end of the string. Here are some common file type patterns. For images, use \, open parenthesis /p $G pipe PNG pipe GIF pipe BMP close parenthesis $. For documents, use \, open parenthesis PDF pipe docs pipe TXT close parenthesis $. For archives, use \, open parenthesis zip pipe rar pipe 7z close parenthesis $. Here's a practical implementation in Python. First, import the re module. Define a function called is_image_file that takes a file name as input. The pattern is \, open parenthesis /p $G pipe PNG pipe GIF pipe BMP close parenthesis $. Finally, return re.search of the pattern, file name, and re.ignore case. The usage is shown as a comment, where calling the function with the string photo.jpg returns true. Let's recap the key takeaways. Always use \, to match literal dots in file extensions. Use the $sign to ensure matching at the end of the strings. Use open parenthesis ext1 pipe ext2 pipe ext3 close parenthesis for multiple extensions. Apply re.ignore case flag for flexible matching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.